Hi all, this is Tim of Tim's Computer Repairs coming at you with yet another computer service job. On this one, I am working on this Right Republic of the Gamers gaming PC, and I had to get the Wi-Fi up and running on this Windows 11 computer, and also get this GeForce Experience set up as well, which was for his dedicated graphics card right there. It gave me some major issues, but I finally figured out how to get it properly in there. As you can tell, maybe, can't really know if you can see my hand or not, but I've got it in his graphics card now, and it is now working. So I've officially got this done as well. So, thank you all for joining me on another computer endeavor. Just finishing updating the NVIDIA GeForce Experience now. But I won't bore you with the details on that, as it may take some time to do the update. But I have successfully got this one up and going again. Well, maybe it didn't take as long as you thought. Or maybe it is. Oh well. Anyways, this has been Tim of Tim's Computer Repairs. Thank you for joining me on this computer endeavor, and I will see you on the next computer repair job. Tim of Tim's Computer Repairs, out until then.